everyone, I'm Cheryl. I'm a product manager from Advantech IRS product division. Today I'm gonna introduce our new multifunctional box PC USM-260. Here is our USM series product roadmap. On the bottom, which is USM-100 series, which is RISC-based signage player. And on the top, we have three models here. They are our x86H computer. We have UBX 310, USM 210, which will be in mass production in August. And we have USM 260 here. And the biggest difference between USM 260 and the other two is that USM 260 used Intel Skylake and Kaby Lake 35-watt desktop CPU. So USM 260 can provide more powerful computing power than the other two. Here is the USM 260 product overview. Like what I mentioned, it supports Intel Skylake CPU 35-watt desktop level from Celeron to Core i7. So the customer can choose which kind of CPU they want to use based on different application or different scenarios. And it also has compact design. And at the front, we have four USB ports here, and also have two hard drive or SSD tray at the front. So user can easily upgrade the hard drive or SSD, or to maintain or to modify the content through the four USB ports at front. And at the back, we also have very rich I/O ports for user to use. And it is worth mentioning that USM 260 provides three video output ports. They are VGA, HDMI, and DisplayPort. It can support up to 2 displays at the same time. And also, HDMI port and DisplayPort can support 4K display. So if user to choose use HDMI and DisplayPort at the same time, it can support up to 2 4K displays. And it also has one half-size mSATA and one full-size mSATA. Half-size mSATA can upgrade with Wi-Fi and LTE modules, and full-size mSATA can support the storage. And here is the application market, which is good for the USM-260. Advantech provides APIs for users to integrate the edge sensors or sensing devices. And also, USM-260 can bundle with the Advantech SRP, or to integrate it with the value-added software provided by the third-party ISV. So it can be used not only in retail scenario, but also in hospital, logistics, as well as service industry. And here is the application scenario of USM-260. It can use as the edge computer because it used 35-watt desktop CPU. So it can provide powerful computing power to do the edge computing. And also, it can used as the signage player. And due to the rich I/O provided by the USM-260, it can connect it to various devices to serve as the self-service kiosk, and also can use as the remote monitor or management as the store management computer. And these are key features of USM-260. It has from removable hard drive or SSD tray, and it has an expansion module at the bottom for easy installation. And it can bundle with Advantech SRP. And it uses effective thermal solution, and also has compact design and rich I/O. Here is the explosion view of USM-260. You can see we have two hard drive and SSD trays here, and have a door at the bottom for the expansion module. you can see here, I already removed the door. And if you remove this one, and you can see a half size MSATA here for Wi-Fi or LTE module, and 4 USB ports here. And if we remove the front panel, the trays are here. And how to remove this? Use USM-260 shipped with the screw at the back. So we just remove the screw and remove the 4 screws at the sides, and use this one to put in the middle. Lock it and drag the tray out. Very easy. And also the full-size MSATA is inside the system, so you just need to remove the top chassis, and then you can install the storage. And USM-260 can bundle very rich SRPs provided by Advantech, like signage CMS for the signage player, or UShop Store BI for the AI analytics, or the heat map for store management to increase the store efficiency, or the device arm to remote monitor or manage the devices. And this is inside of the USM-260. The thermal solution is used with the aluminum heatsink and also a fan. And you can see the thermal test reports over here. Under the operation temperature in 50 Celsius degree, all the test results are passed. And also we have air ventilation out there at the side to prevent the dust accumulation, and also for the better thermal dissipation. And USM-260 also has compact design. Compared to UBX310, you can see the design is very compact, so it can help to save the store space, and also have many rich I/Os. And COM1 is, besides the RS-232, it also supports the RS-485, so the customer can choose which one they want to use by different application or different scenarios. And USM-260 has 2 versions. One is the full version, one is the simple version. The full version will have all the ports and the trays inside of USM-260. But if you choose the simple version, there will only one tray at the front, and also there will no USB ports at front, and also these 2 COM ports will also be removed. And here is the CPU performance chart. You can see the red ones are the CPUs used by USM-260. Because it is 35-watt CPU, so the CPU performance, you can see at the bottom, got higher scores in CPU mark other than other U-series CPUs. And also 35-watt CPU, the cost is also cheaper than the U-series. So USM-260 provides better cost-to-performance ratios than other machines used with the U-series CPU. And here's the technical specification for your reference. If you would like to know more, you can go to Advantech website and search for USM-260 to download the data sheet for more information. And today is my presentation. Thank you for watching.